Hi，大家好，我是 Kenan.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm the student.
Welcome back. In the last lesson, you have learned the tones, which is the most important part of the pronunciation. And today, we'll be moving on to the next part, which is the vowels, the key building block of the sound. Even if your tones are correct, if your vowel pronunciations are not clear, people might find it difficult to understand you. Today, you will learn 6 different vowels. How do they sound? And how do we pronounce them correctly? In Mandarin, the final is the sound of a syllable. For example, the word ma. The final is a. Next one, he. The final is lu. The finals is u. When you speak, the finals carry the sound of the word. The first vowel is a. It's an open and clear sound. A. For example, ma, ta, ta. So I'll have Michelle pronounce after me. Ma,
Ma,
ta,
ta,
ta.
ta,
Very well. Open and clear.
a.
Next one is o. O. It's similar to the word or in English, but much short and cleaner. O. O. For example, o, po, mo. And Michelle's turn. Po,
Bo,
po,
po,
mo.
mo.
Very good. O sound. Next one is the sound is a bit deeper but more relaxed. It's not like the English. It's shorter. For example, ge, ke, he. All right, Michelle's turn. Ge,
Ge,
ke,
ke,
he.
he.
All right. Next one. E. E is similar to the tree in English. E, the E sound. E. For example, 你, 你, 米, 米, 粒, 粒. Now I have Michelle repeat. 你,
你,
米,
米,
粒.
粒.
Okay. Next one. Next vowel is U sound. U. As in food. U. U. Some examples. 路, 书, 母. All right, Michelle's turn. 路,
路,
书,
书,
母.
母.
Perfect. And the last vowel we have, it is written similar to the vowel U, but with 2 dots on top. This is an important sound in Mandarin. This sound does not exist in English. How do we do that? Previously, we have learned E. Now round our lips. U, U, U. Some of the examples. 女, 女. 吕吕去 All right, Michelle's turn. 女
女
吕
吕
去
去
So pay more attention. This is not lu is yu lü. Well, some vowels are quite easy to be confused of. For example, when we pronounce li and lü. One more time. Li, lü. Oh, Michelle, can you repeat that?
哩绿
Ni, nu. One more time. Ni, nu. Michelle?
哩女
Perfect. Now listen to all the vowels one more time in the order. A, O, I, U, Ü. Can you try that, Michelle?
A O I U Ü The last one, can you do it again?
Ü,
Ü
Yes,
Ü
if you have difficulty in the last one, just do it E first, E around your lips. E, U,
Ü Okay.
It's not a hard sound, but takes some time. Takes some time. Yeah. Okay. These vowels might look similar in English, but they are entirely different sound compared to English. For example, the word the word u, or the vowel yu. So these are totally different compared to English. But if your tones are clear, if your vowels are clear, then your pronunciation is getting better. You are moving in the right step. In the next lesson, we'll be learning consonants, which is also called the initials. And this initial will be combined with the vowels we just learned to create a word. And from then, we will do step by step and learning new words, learning new pronunciation. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye.